How to manage YouTube channel from phone. To manage your YouTube channel from the phone, you have to download the YouTube Studio application first of all from the App Store or Google Play Store. So go ahead and launch the App Store or Google Store of your choice. Tap on the search bar at the top, then search for YouTube Studio. Once you find the application, you simply have to install it onto your device. Now you simply have to go ahead and launch it and log into your YouTube account. Want to do this? You should be able to upload and schedule your content by simply tapping on the plus icon on the top right corner. You can customize thumbnails and metadata by going to the Contents tab from the bottom navigation bar. You can also track real-time analytics by heading to the Analytics tab, and you can also engage with your community by going to the Community section where you can find comments on your particular videos. You can also choose to respond to them. And within the Earn tab, you can manage your monetization and your payouts. You can also review your estimated revenue metrics for the month. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.